Hello and welcome to Bueng Farm in the majestic Pai Valley in Mae Hong Son province in Pai, Thailand. I thought I would just give you a quick perspective as to what you can expect when you're visiting Bueng Farm. We walk into their entranceway. See, there's lots of parking for people to come and stay. So make our way over to the entrance here and see what's waiting for us inside. Beautiful here in Pai, Thailand, pretty much all year round. See, it's a lush tropical garden here at Bueng Farm. It's where your guest house owners, Orn and Run, are waiting to greet you. Here's the fish pond, the koi pond. Lots of beautiful fish. Waterfall. Absolutely stunning. Here's the sala where you can have your morning tea or lunch. Just relax. There's the kitchen. All the food is cooked with a lot of love. It's all organic. Most of it's grown right here. See, there's a swing for a little romantic rendezvous. Here's the first fish pond where you can do a little bit of fishing. Over there's the library. We'll get back to that in a second. Here's the natural swimming pool. Absolutely beautiful. A little waterfall while you're swimming in there. As you can see, it's a chemical-free pool. Contains no chemicals. They only use natural filters like charcoal, volcano stone, sand. There's some little fishies in there, even that'll tickle your toes while you're swimming. If that's what you like. Let's take a walk over to the library. Actually, before we get there, there's a little fire pit and some of our greeters. Good morning, gentlemen. How are you? That's Minoy and Ma'am. Here's our library that guests can come and relax in. As you can see, there's it's actually an incredible view when you're in the library. Many people come here to have their meal or have a drink. Just watch the sunset. Some people do yoga, meditation, or if you're crazy enough and feeling full of energy, you can read a book, take a snooze afterwards. Take you for a quick peek just around the corner here. Again, this is a fire pit in the winter time. It's really nice in the evening. You can have a hot cup of cocoa or whatever suits your fancy and enjoy the fire, pop some popcorn. Let's take the path here just to give you an idea. So around the side, some of the bungalows, one of the local farmers passing by. He's off to go plant or pick some rice. This is where you can do some of your fishing. There's a little deck you can fish off of there. Absolutely stunning. There's some of the guest houses. You can choose either a beautiful bungalow on the Bueng Pai Lake here. Lazily watch the fish. Spend your day. Or you can have another perspective here. It's the library again. There's a few more of our rice paddy bungalows. Bungalow number 1. Take you for a little peek-see of your backyard. Isn't that stunning? If you look in the back, you can see there's the local Buddhist temple. If you're inclined, you can get up early and give alms to the monks. This is your backyard. Not bad. There's a double-decker bungalow right there. So inclined. Let's take you for a quick walk. Give you an idea of just how spectacular it is here. So this is your walk back to your bungalow. There's one of the bungalows. It's number 15. Let's go to number 3 here. Give you a quick view. Absolutely stunning. So, after a long day of trekking or mountain biking or riding the elephant or whitewater rafting, visiting the hot springs or visiting the elephants, come back to your bungalow, and this is what's waiting for you. I think some of the fish are jumping there. They're hungry in the morning. We hope you can make it to Pai, Thailand. I know you won't be disappointed. And of course, your home away from home at Bueng Pai Farm is always waiting you, where there's lots of farm, food, fishing, and fun. Come anytime.